drowning in self-improvement advice. You are not alone, but this overwhelming flood could be sabotaging your progress. Many overlook the hidden dangers of mental clutter. As you scroll through social media, absorbing every new strategy, it may feel empowering, but a darker reality lurks beneath. Imagine waking up with the best intentions, only to end the day feeling more confused than ever. Sound familiar? This constant barrage of information creates a chaotic mental space, like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. You think you're building a better version of yourself, but instead you're amplifying the noise. Consider a friend who seems perpetually on a self-discovery journey, signing up for workshops and devouring the latest bestsellers. Yet, they appear lost, running a race with no finish line, pulled in every direction by new advice. This illustrates the hidden cost of mental clutter, an insidious trap many overlook. As the pressure to improve mounts, the warning signs become harder to ignore. You might feel anxious or paralyzed by decisions, stuck in a cycle of consumption rather than taking action. So, what's the solution? Simplify your approach. Focus on just one book, one mentor, or one strategy. Imagine the clarity that could bring. Before dismissing this as too simple, remember sometimes less really is more. By honing in on one thing, you can dive deeper and truly absorb it. The transformation could be more profound than you expect. Reflect on what truly matters. What's one area of your life where you want to grow? Zero in on that and let the noise fade into the background. Real progress doesn't come from consuming every piece of advice out there, comes from taking meaningful action. When you clear that mental clutter, you might just discover your path forward. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed, take a deep breath. Simplify. Your mind is ready for the space to grow. What will you choose to focus on today? Have you ever felt stuck, even after diving into countless self-help books and podcasts? You're definitely not alone. What you're experiencing might be more common than you think. Picture this: you wake up, scroll through your favorite self-improvement channels, and feel a burst of motivation. But as the day unfolds, that energy starts to fade. What happened? It's as if all these tools you've gathered weigh you down instead of lifting you up. Let's dig a little deeper. Think about all the resources available to you: courses, articles, videos. It can feel overwhelming, right? You might believe that more information equals more progress. But here's the catch: too much information creates mental clutter, making it tough to focus. Take a moment to reflect on your own life. To review your own moment, reflect on your own life. Take to reflect. How often do you start a new strategy only to jump to the next shiny idea? It's a cycle. You might feel proactive, but in reality, you are just spinning your wheels. It can be exhausting, can't it? Now, let's get to the heart of the issue. When you are constantly hunting for new hacks and advice, you might overlook the most crucial part: action. You find yourself trapped drowning in a sea of how-to without ever stepping into the do. Imagine being in a room filled with beautiful art supplies. You have everything you need to create a masterpiece, but you feel paralyzed by the choices. Each tool overwhelms you. You want to paint, but instead you just stand there frustrated and drained. This is a warning sign. It's not just about consuming information, it's about creating something meaningful. So, how do you break this cycle? How do you cut through the noise and find clarity? It's easy to miss the signs and blame your lack of progress on anything but the mental clutter. But what if simplifying could be your best path forward? Start small. What if you set a limit on how much content you consume each week? Just imagine how freeing that would be. You could focus on what truly resonates with you instead of getting lost in a maze of information. Now, picture this: you choose just one book or one podcast episode that really speaks to you. You dive in, take notes, and actually put what you learn into practice. Suddenly, the fog starts to lift and progress begins to feel tangible. Here's the key: the less you overload your mental space, the more room you have for genuine growth. You'll start to see results, not just in your projects, but also in your mindset. As you think about this, ask yourself, are you ready to clear the clutter? Are you prepared to take back control of your mental space? Remember, it's not about how much you know, it's about how effectively you can apply that knowledge. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a step back. Simplify. Focus. Act. If this resonates with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts below. What's your experience with mental clutter? Let's explore this journey together. Have you ever felt like you were holding yourself back from reaching your potential? You're not alone. Many of us find ourselves overwhelmed by a flood of self-help books, online courses, and motivational talks, often without even realizing it. Imagine waking up excited to tackle the day, with a lineup of podcasts to listen to, articles to read, and a new online course waiting for you. But as the day goes on, that excitement fades, leaving you feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, and a bit lost. What if I told you that this feeling could be the hidden cost of mental clutter? You might think all this self-improvement is helpful, but here's the twist: too many resources can actually lead to inaction. It creates mental noise that drowns out clarity, with each piece of advice pulling you in a different direction, leaving you confused and stuck. Let's take a moment to reflect. Picture yourself scrolling through social media, seeing someone who seems to have it all figured out. You click on their latest self-help tip, only to find yourself jumping from one trend to the next. Before you know it, you're buried under a mountain of mastery techniques. You wanted to grow, but instead, you're caught in a cycle of consuming information without making real progress. So, what's happening here? It's the irony of feeling overwhelmed. You invest so much time and energy into improving yourself that you end up feeling worse. You are constantly absorbing information but rarely putting it into practice. Each new strategy adds another weight on your shoulders, leaving you feeling paralyzed instead of empowered. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if, instead of diving deeper into the clutter, you focused on just one idea at a time? Imagine it taking that single nugget of wisdom and truly applying it. The change could be significant. Let's consider a real-life example. Think about a friend who started meditating. Initially, they felt lighter and more focused. They felt lighter and more official. But then they stumbled upon another technique or app promising even better results. Suddenly, they were juggling multiple apps and losing the essence of what initially helped them, of what made them feel good in the first place. They traded simplicity for complexity and lost their way. The tension is building, isn't it? You are on the brink of realizing that the very tools meet to help you can sometimes